Well, travels with Dottie here. Dottie and I are out for a walk. This is my second time recording. The first time, this flying selfie stick is great, but it has one big fault, and it's that in order to get this audio working, well, the other thing is when it's windy, it's hard to get the thing to turn. So it's going to follow me for a little while until we change direction here. Um, to get the audio working, you have to have the app open on your phone, which is not a problem unless you put your phone in your pocket, and then it tends to go off that and the recording stops. So the other thing that's going on is I strapped a GoPro to Dottie, and we're recording. I'll call it a Dottie cam. I think it's going to be pretty crooked or something. I don't know. We'll see how it does. We'll get back and look at the footage. I have my doubts about how good it's going to be. She's not really cooperating, but I'm going to change how the hover's working. So I changed the mode to what we call sidetrack, mostly because on the dolly track where it goes in front of me, I've got the sun to my back, and because it uses sort of recognizing your body, when it's got the sun right in it, it really doesn't work well. So this thing is definitely not perfect. I'm really anxious to see how this footage goes, the GoPro footage goes with Dottie. Um, so making sure I got the app open, it's working. Oh, right. I was looking at YouTube, and my friend Sally Forth, the YouTube channel, SALLYFORTH, check her out, is in New Mexico, and she did a video on Summer Lake State Park, and I really loved staying there last year, and it made me kind of homesick for New Mexico. I'm not planning on leaving until I think it's the 11th of June. I leave here. I take 2 days, and the evening of the 12th, I'll travel the 11th and most of the day of the 12th, and on the 12th, I'll be at my first state park there in New. And I just love it there. And watching her video, I could even see the site I was staying in last year. It was so great. It had such a great view, and I loved being there. So I can't wait to get there. I'm pretty excited about that. And let's see what else. I told you about the footage I'm going to try with Dottie here. Really, it's like hanging off the side of her right now instead of straight up and down, which is, I know that's going to be a problem, but we'll see. There was something else I was going to talk about. I already did this once on the first battery on this thing, and then discovered this thing wasn't open, so the audio didn't work at all. But I have it in my hand this time, so I know that the audio is working. There was something else, and I can't remember what it was. And by the time I really remember what it was, this battery's going to run out of this thing. The little battery on the flying selfie stick, maybe 5 minutes. That's about how long you can shoot before it kind of gives up. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today. I know it's a short one, but it's a sweet one, right? So so the other thing I wish they would change in the software on this is, you notice I got cut off there. It's because I stopped walking and I turned around and started talking to the camera. Well, if you're in any of the modes other than the one I'm in now, the one I'm in now is hover, where it's not moving. But actually, it will move if I sort of rotate, but it's going to stay in the same spot. It'll rotate and follow me around. Um, but if it's in one of the moving modes and you stop and start talking, it'll just shut off automatically after a few seconds. It won't keep going. So if you're listening, Hover X1 company, change and have an option to, when you stop, have it stop and keep recording so you can, our YouTubers can keep talking, because that's all we do is talk in videos. Anyway, I was in the middle of telling you how much I appreciate you watching my channel, watching my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. This is how I get it to land. Usually, I guess I have to put it underneath and